everybody.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What are we gonna do today, babe?
We're gonna go to Six Flags.
Woo! Six Flags.
We're gonna go to Bugs Bunny.
Bugs Bunny World. Lluvia's gonna ride a bunch of roller coasters.
Yes, and then I'll not be scared.
No, you promise?
I promise.
All right. What are you gonna do in the roller coaster?
I'll put my hands up and scream.
Ah!
Like this.
All right, so here we go.
Let's go.
We're on our way.
We're on our way.
Mom, what are you doing?
We're here.
Are you at Bugs Bunny? Mom, I'll not be scared at the roller coasters.
Promise?
Promise.
Okay.
I'm not crying.
What do you think, Dad? Should be scared?
No, I don't think so.
We're here.
Look
Woo!
at Wonder Woman.
Wonder Woman and Batman and Superman. Lluvia, where are we?
We're at Six Flags.
Woo!
Roller coasters.
Look at all the roller coasters.
Look at all that. Look at all that. Oh, that costume.
All the capes, huh?
Yeah.
Wow, look at
I
them.
want one when I behave.
Okay, if you behave tomorrow.
They're about to go on the tour bus. All right. They're in there. Whoa. How was it?
Good.
Yeah? You had fun?
Yes. I'm not scared.
You weren't scared?
Mommy, I'll go on this ride. I'll go on this.
Before we do this, let's go on another ride then. Come on, Dad.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's do the ride first.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's run. Woo!
Okay, run.
It won't open?
It's not a real fridge.
So fast.
Canyon Blaster.
Yeah, let's go.
How was it, babe?
Good.
Yeah?
It was
Man.
so fun.
She went on it twice.
Yep. Didn't let us record though.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys. Thumbs up?
Let's go. And then another roller coaster. Thumbs up. Two thumbs up.
Two thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Ooh, she's sweating.
Wait.
There they go. Here she comes. Lluvia!
Hi, Mommy.
Where are we on?
The red roller coaster.
The red roller coaster. So here we go. Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Go, Lluvia! Woo!
Bye.
Hi, Lluvia. Hi, Daddy. Oh, there they go.
No te me vayas sin nosotros. Porque te puedes perder.
Wow! Whoa, they're up high. Okay. She said they're going to Florida.
Alright, but we gotta get in line.
You gotta go back in line. She's going on again. There she goes again. That's the same one you guys were on. There they go again. Poor dad's scared. Here she comes! Ah!
Mommy, that's so fun.
How many times did you go on?
2 times.
Woohoo!
She said she flew to Florida.
What, she flew to Florida. Was she a good flyer, Dad?
Yeah.
And now I'll do it like this, and then
I saw you guys were bouncing a lot.
now it's bouncing.
I think it's time for the water ride.
No, I want to put in water one. Only the brown one.
We're in the Looney Tunes Lodge. What happened to the slide? I thought we were gonna go on the slide. I guess we gotta find the balls first. There's a bunch of them everywhere. Yeah, babe. Put your feet first. No. Okay. Yeah, go ahead. Sit down. Go. Well, let's go look for her now. Lluvia. Uh-oh. Where'd she go? There she is. I found her. Oh. That's what she was aiming at. There she comes. She's gonna go on the Magic, oh wait, Whistle Top Park Magic Flyer.
Oh, she's gonna go to the front. Oh my goodness.
She's going to the front?
Yeah, she went to the front. Oh, he thinks it was her. That'd be cute. Oh, he's gonna go in the back. You wanna go in the back? Okay, give me 1 second. Give me 1 second.
There she goes. Zoom in. There she is. Hi, beautiful.
I'm drinking water because I was thirsty.
Yeah, but what are you eating?
Quesadilla.
Oh, look, there's Daddy.
There's Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
Let me see. Take a bite of your quesadilla. Oh, so good.
What's up, Daddy?
What's up, Daddy?
What's up, Mama? What kind of cape are you gonna get, babe? A pink one. All right, let's see what they got in here. Oh, whoa! There's a new superhero. Who's that? Wonder Woman, huh?
I looked around the bad guy, but he was running. He was running away, but
What's the bad guy's name?
I don't know.
The Joker?
Yeah,
Oh my goodness.
because Joker, he was trying to steal my baby doll,
Oh my goodness.
my baby sister doll.
What did you do, what did you do, Wonder Woman?
I chased him all around and I wear my cape, but I put my, I asked Spider-Man to help me put my shirt on and my cape on because he knew how to do it.
Who's Spider-Man?
Spider-Man is the Spider-Man.
Oh, okay.
That's my friend.
Oh, your friend?
Remember?
Yeah, I remember now, yes.
And you're my friend too.
Oh, okay.
Wonder Woman.
Who are you?
Wonder Woman.
Wow.
I got a cape.
Why did you choose that cape?
Because it's so beautiful.
Wow. Lluvia, did you have a fun day at Six Flags today?
You mean Wonder Woman?
Oh, sorry. Wonder Woman, did you have a fun day at Six Flags today?
Yeah.
Yeah?
So fun. And we forgot to go in the black one.
What? Come here, I can't hear you. Come here.
We forgot to go in the black one.
The roller coaster?
Yeah, the black one.
I know, but it's because it got too hot, huh?
Yeah.
It's time to go home?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And so we're gonna go into the brown one
Uh-huh.
when the sun goes down.
Okay, babe. Come here. Let's end the video, okay?
Okay.
So what do we say when we end the video?
Give us a like. I like to see you next time. All right. Bye.
Bye.